Good job. Getting caught, Cedric. Hops. Yeah, great.
Sí, sí. Sí, sí.
Good job, Cedric. Good job. Let's go home. So open your mail, Cedric. A package. With some stuff in it. See what you got, Cedric. It's a card. It says Cedric. It's a frog. It says, "Hello, Cedric. We wanted you to know that you are the best puppy in all the land. You always bring a smile to our face, and we love when you do garden tours or get your toothbrush massages. Oh, we are sending you a little present because we love you. Hugs and snuggles. Bridget and Jennifer from New York." I love the card. Let's see what you got, Cedric. You got a food bowl. This one is orange with a paw print. Nice. And a dragon squeaky toy. Yay! Let me thank you. It's a cool dragon. And then we got a delivery for you, Cedric, from Cats & Co. It's a whole big bag. See what you got. A new harness. Oh, it's sushi on it. Cedric loves sushi. It's got mackerels and chopsticks and fish. Oh, and this one, Lou has this one. It's got croissants and coffee. Very, very, very cute. And we have another one. It's got clouds and windows. And a matching poop bag holders. Adorable. Which one is your favorite, Cedric? We're gonna try these on, huh? It looks so cute, Cedric. Thank you.